Welcome back to Slow English Storytime.
Good morning. It is 7 o'clock. The sun is rising, and I walk to the restaurant. The streets are quiet, but my mind is already busy. I think about the menu. I think about the ingredients, and I think about my team. When I open the kitchen door, I breathe in the smell of fresh bread. From the bakery next door, I turn on the lights. The kitchen is empty, but soon it will be alive. A chef's day always begins early. We prepare before the customers arrive. Clean knives, clean counters, clean hands, discipline is everything.
Today is my first day in this kitchen. I feel nervous and excited. When I enter, I see Chef Alice. She looks strong, sharp, serious. I hope I don't make her angry.
A new cook arrives. His name is James. I look at him. He smiles nervously. This is my kitchen. So I tell him my rules. I say, work clean, work fast, work with respect. Do you understand?
I nod quickly. I say, yes, chef. I'll try my best. But she stops me. She says, not try. Do. My heart beats faster. This will not be easy.
Before lunch service, we must prepare. This is called prep work. I decide to teach James, step by step. First, I give him onions. I say, chop these, even pieces, small cubes. No waste. He begins. His knife is slow. His hands shake. His eyes start to water. But he keeps cutting. While he fights the onions, I begin chicken stock, bones, carrots, onions, celery. Into a pot. I cover with water. Bring it to a boil. Skim the foam. This stock will be the soul of our soups. Then, I give James carrots. I say, cut them into thin sticks. This is called julienne. He tries. His pieces are thick and clumsy. I say, not bad for a beginner. But precision is respect. Next, spices. I show him how to measure carefully, but he adds the wrong spice. I shake my head. I say, cooking is about balance. Too much salt destroys. Too much spice burns. Too little seasoning is boring. Taste. Always taste. James tastes the food again and again. Sometimes too much. I laugh quietly, and I say, if you keep tasting this much, James, soon there will be nothing left for the customer. At 12 o'clock, the restaurant opens. The silence is gone. The kitchen is full of fire and sound. This is the real test. Orders start coming. I call, table 2, 1 steak, medium rare. James answers, yes, chef. I call, table 5, 2 pasta, 1 soup. He looks lost. I guide him. I say, focus. Steak first. Pasta next. Soup last.
I repeat after her. Steak first. Pasta next. Soup last. I almost burn the toast. I spill some sauce. But Alice does not give up on me. She says, "Do not panic. Do again." Then, my pasta is too salty. I feel ashamed. Alice tastes it, and she says, "Fix it. Start again." Her voice is strong, but calm. I make it again. This time, it is right. When she nods, I feel proud.
After lunch, the kitchen rests. I use this time to teach James knife skills. Dice, slice. Julian, his cuts are uneven, but he repeats. Slowly. Better. Rice. I show him how to wash. Measure. Cook with patience. He wants to stir. I stop him. I say, patience. Do not disturb. Omelette. I make one soft and golden. He tries. His omelette breaks. I tell him, again and again, until it is right. Then, French words. Mise en place. Everything in its place. Sauté. Cook quickly. Flambe. Fire in the pan. I make him repeat them many times.
I say them again and again. At first strange, then natural. For the first time today, I feel like a real cook.
At 7 o'clock, dinner begins. The restaurant is full. Orders fly in. This is the storm.
I am tired, but awake. Alice shouts orders. I repeat them. I move faster. Sometimes I forget garnish. She reminds me, details matter. One customer sends food back. Alice shows me how to fix it fast. I feel stress, but also joy. Then, I plate one dish perfectly. Alice looks. She says, "Good." One word, but to me, it feels like victory.
I see James changing. He is clumsy, but not afraid. He is learning to fight. With the fire, he is beginning to cook.
Midnight. The kitchen is quiet. My legs hurt. My hands are sore, but my heart is full. I survive.
The fire is out. The pans are washed. The counters are clean. James is tired, but he stayed. This is only his first day, but it is a strong beginning.
I tell Alice, today was the hardest day of my life, but also the best. Thank you. I walk out of the kitchen, into the night air. I feel tired, but happy. I think tomorrow will be another challenge, but I will come back, because this kitchen is now my world.
I lock the kitchen door. I look back once more. Today was hard, but tomorrow will be harder. And still, I will return, because cooking is my life, my art, my heart. Thank you for listening to our day. Now, close your eyes and rest. Tomorrow, we cook again.